This year, Socar plans to launch a project to build a new petrochemical complex in the special industrial zone on the Aliaga Peninsula in Turkey. These works will be carried out on the basis of the contractual principles signed with BP regarding the evaluation of plans to create a joint venture for the construction of a worldwide complex and its management. This will not only increase the share of Socar in the Turkish market, but also reduce the import of these products, thereby reducing the deficit of foreign trade of Turkey. Zaur Gahramanov, Director General of Socar Turkey Energy, stated in an interview with CBC that the Turkish side shows great interest in participating in this project. We plan that new Turkish partners join the project during the first half of this year. Work on the adoption of the final investment decision is planned to be completed in 2019 in order to bring the complex to working capacity in the late 2022, early 2023. The total capacity of the plant will be 1,250,000 tons. At present, two large enterprises owned by Socar Turkey Energy operate on the territory of the industrial zone on the Aliaga Peninsula. This is the Star Refinery and Petrochemical complex. The Star Refinery, commissioned on October 19, 2018, is designed to process such grades of oil as Azeri Light, Kirkuk and Urals. Its activities are designed to provide raw materials to Petchem so that the petrochemical complex has the opportunity to enter the Mediterranean market. Therefore, from the beginning of the year, the refinery will begin the deliveries to Petchem. The very first deliveries to Petchem will be made in January. We will supply naphtha and reformer. The remaining products, diesel, jet fuel, LPG, we will start selling starting in March. Initially, we plan to sell our products on the Turkish market. Referring to the activities of Petchem, which is the leading petrochemical complex in Turkey, the head of Socar Turkey Energy noted that about $100 million are invested annually on the development of the enterprise and support of capital expenditures. In addition, construction of a tank farm for the storage of petroleum and petroleum products was started at the expense of the domestic funds. These works will be completed in 2019. In addition, Socar's subsidiary plans to introduce 9 petrol stations at the Istanbul airport, which will be put into full operation in March this year. One of them is already running in test mode. This is the first gas station under the Socar brand in Turkey. In the future, the company plans to acquire a retail network in this country with a view to selling Star Refinery products. We work with all retail players. We sell all the products of the plant to the domestic market of Turkey. We sell to companies like BP, Shell, Petroleos and more. But today we do not plan to purchase any of the networks. This question may arise in the future, at the end of 2019 or at the beginning of 2020, when the plant reaches its full capacity and the market situation in Turkey will also meet our needs. It should be noted that the company in Turkey has also built a container terminal, a power station and delivers gas to the domestic market. According to Zaur Gahramanov, in 2019, through the Trans-Anatolian gas pipeline TANAP, which was commissioned on June 12 last year in Turkish Eskişehir, the export of Azerbaijani gas from the second stage of the development of the Shah Deniz field in the amount of about 2 billion cubic meters is planned. The first deliveries to this country began from the end of June 2018. In general, the total volume of exports to Turkey via the TANAP pipeline will be increased to 6 billion cubic meters of gas per year.